Hello, I'm in a 2015 Subaru Crosstrek, and today I'm going to show you how to fold forwards and back your seats. So for these rear seats, this lever here will pull up, and now we can slide forward the seat, fold it down, that is, and it works the same on this other side. There's this little thing you just pull up and it'll fall forward again. When you want this to go back, just make sure the seatbelt's not trapped. So as you push it back, it'll lock into place. Now we're secure again. You can see here, this is where it was hooking. Same with this passenger side. And then this middle, you just pull it down if you want this down. And then fold it back up when you're done. And these front seats, this makes this fold forward. And then typically with two hands, you'll pull this up and push back to get it to lean back, and when you release it and have it down, then it'll lock it in place. And then this helps adjust this up or down. And then this bar here, if you lift it up, you can move the seat forward or backwards, and when you release the bar, it'll lock it in place. And we'll check the passenger side, but it should be the same. So over here, yep, same. So you got the same lever here for the back, and this bar for this. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a good day.